Hello my friends, this is Bobby from Magic Garden. Some customers, after receiving our WPC boards, they will see some tiny fibers on the surface, and they worry about that is the quality problem. But let me explain clearly, it is not a defect.
When WPC boards come straight out of extrusion, the surface is clean with no fibers, but the wood grain looks a bit stiff and less natural. To improve the texture, we add a post-treatment process, surface sanding. This sanding makes the wood grain smoother and closer to real timber. However, it also creates some fine surface fibers. These fibers are harmless, and they naturally fall off over time, and they don't affect strength, durability, or appearance. In fact, sanding makes the boards look more elegant and lifelike. Without it, the grain they will feel artificial. With it, the boards looks more natural, almost like real wood.
So when you see these tiny fibers, don't worry, it's just a byproduct of making WPC boards look more authentic, and it will disappear over time and remain durable, beautiful, and strong. And WPC, it is not just about performance, it is also about aesthetic and lifestyle, and that's why we take every detail and even the surface treatment so seriously.